Hey everyone, how you doing? It's Paul at Craftwords. Another question we get asked quite a lot is what is brand voice and why do you need it? Now technically that's two questions, but I think it's okay. I think we can go with that. Brand voice is literally how a brand speaks. And I say in inverted commas because generally we're not talking about a brand speaking in the way that I'm speaking right now. Sometimes they might, if they're doing video or a representative for that brand is speaking in a public forum in some way. But generally what we mean is the words that they use in their copywriting. So that could be print ads, it could be videos, it could be blog content, it could be even things like terms and conditions. This is one that people often forget, and the vast majority of brands forget this actually, but everything your brand writes should be in the tone of voice of that brand. And if it's not, there's kind of a disconnect. And this is really important. And that sort of leans into the other bit of tone of voice. Why do we need it? Because it's really hard to build a relationship with someone who talks to you differently. Imagine you've got a friend or a family member and, one day they talk to you in the normal way you're used to talking to them. Another day they're really formal with you. Another day they're really kind of jokey with you. It'd be really hard to have any kind of relationship with that person because you'd never kind of know where you are with them. Brands are the same. You have to build a relationship with them, and to be able to do that, you need to be able to know that they're always talking to you the same way. It's that familiarity, and you just can't have that when they talk differently. Imagine a really sort of formal brand like there's Coutts Bank in the UK, which I believe is or certainly was the bank of the royal family. They can't suddenly start dropping mad lols and emojis and everything because that just isn't their brand voice. It would just feel weird. And then if you go the other way, what if a brand like, let's say Lululemon, started talking all formal and all sort of all stilted and all kind of strange and kind of cold? That would feel really weird. So that consistency piece is so important to building a relationship with a brand. So that's why brand voice is really important, because you have to build a relationship, and why we have it is just so that that relationship can feel consistent over time. All right, folks, hope that helps, and we'll see you again very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.